He was born from a dying wish, a boy fused with the devil of chainsaws. They told him to hunt, to kill, to obey. But in the quiet moments between the blood and the chaos, he learned a different kind of hunger, not for devils, but for a warm meal, a soft bed, a simple touch. He fought monsters made of fear, only to find the greatest fear was his own, the terror of being alone. And one night, looking at the city lights, he didn't wish for power or revenge. He whispered a different, more desperate plea. I just want someone to hold me,